painted a 86 by 4 meter long mural which depicts the landscape and the wildlife of Yanchep. The lagoon has inspired the artwork through the colours and the subject matter, the plants, the animals. Part of my process was visiting the national park and taking a lot of photos, studying different species and then illustrating based off my photographs. That's kind of what inspired my illustrations along the wall. Community consultation was extremely important in the process of coming up with the concept because it enabled me to connect with the individuals whom might actually use this train station, but also to help them create a sense of identity, a sense of culture and a sense of pride in where they live. I wanted to find out from the public and the people that already live here how they feel and what inspires them about the place that they live in. And once I could get a sense of these things, I was able to elaborate on these ideas and then be very inspired to create the artwork. All these words come from community engagement I did prior to starting the work, showing how the environment and Yanchep's nature in general might inspire them or make them feel. I think the artwork will enhance the atmosphere of the train station through colour, through storytelling and generally creating a positive and reflective atmosphere of the beauty that surrounds it. It's been a huge undertaking, but I'm confident once it's finished that it'll look beautiful.